There they are, door handles. Got the paint from Scratches Happen. All right, got the first piece ready to rock and roll. It's nice and clean. Gonna put this primer on. All right, second coat is on. I think it's good to go. I think I can start spraying it. Gonna give it another 15 minutes and then we'll put on our first coat of paint. All right, third coat is on. I'm gonna open it up here. I think it looks good. So I'm gonna move on to doing the clear coats. First clear coat on. Looking really good. Oh yeah. All right, it's turning out awesome. Here's the second coat of clear, and for comparison, I have the broken piece right here. So I think it's good, but I am gonna put that third coat. All right, last clear coat on. And again, for comparison, we have the broken piece, and wish I had better lighting, but it does match really well. And yeah, it's gonna look good. There is something I want to do before I put it onto the car. On that edge right there, and I'll show you right here. I noticed that when I lift this, and these parts aren't anything special, they're from Amazon. A little Amazon special. I noticed that this area right here definitely rubs against the top piece right here, and I'm pretty sure that if it does it on this one, it'll do it on that one. I did play with it, but I didn't really realize anything, but I just thought about it right now tonight while this is drying and everything. I'm gonna go get like a clear protective piece that'll go right above there and wrap it inside, so that when I open this, even though it rubs, it won't chip the paint. I'm gonna let this dry overnight, and then we'll install everything on the car tomorrow. Sweet.